Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to use Google Vids or Google Videos. Go to docs.google.com/videos and then start creating new video by clicking on this plus icon right here. Now you can choose if you want your videos to be landscape, portrait or square. Choose whichever you like and then click on blank vid. Here, this is your sequence as you can see, and this is your preview monitor. Right here you have some options that you can edit your videos with, and here is your toolbar. So let's say I want to create a video with VO3. Click on VO right here, and now you can create video from scratch or animate an image if you want. So let's create an image from scratch. Just describe something that you would like to create. Let's say worker in office building. Just simple as that. Now choose if you want your video to be landscape or portrait and click on generate. You can also add ingredients if you want, so you can add up to 3 images to use as ingredients in your video. Once your video is generated, it will show you as a preview right here. So it is generated with sound. Also, you can click on insert right here to insert the video clip to your sequence and play with this preview button. You can use this playhead to move in time in your sequence whenever you like. And you can also make the video shorter by clicking on this line right here and dragging it to the left. You can shorten it from the front as well if you want. Now you can also copy it, so press right click, copy and paste another video right here and make a transition between them. So click on transition and pick one of these transitions that you would like. So let's say slide. Now as you can see, when I play it back, you can see that the transition applies between these two clips. It is really simple to create videos with Google Videos. You can also name your video right here. So just name it worker in building. And simple as that, you can do all sorts of things. For example, you can create your avatar right here. You can create and generate voiceover and choose from these voices that you like. You can create an image with Nano Banana. You can record screen with screen, camera, voiceover, and camera and screen at the same time. And you can get from your uploads and your Drive and Google Photos. So you can get all of those files really quickly into your video just from here. You can also use stock videos, stock images, stock music, stickers, sound effects, GIFs, and much more. You can also create captions in here if you want. And as well, you can create text, subtitles, and styles. Here you have some templates and shapes. So it is really simple. You can do with a lot of these videos. You can just simply right here and adjust volume. You can also create fade in and also add music real fast. So let's say I will add music to this video. Go right here, then to music, select the music that I like and drag and drop it underneath my video. It's so simple. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.